Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasngi pet but subscribe ya uan.
Baro ubreu bastat mano bala manlen. La clem dapli kalat kumno ulait man kren. But that gentleman said it with a little modification. He said, Baro ubreu bastat mano bala manlen. La clem dayo shiklat kumno ulait man kren. I was offended by that speech, just like maybe some members here will also feel offended. I called that speaker to the corner outside the hall. I said, why did you speak like that? I was offended.
Kinigilonggi khubor bam ta kasngi. MLA Umsning ha kasngi palay ula persha ya ka court motion jong ba adan mila basa yawman halor ka grand ka bayaday bar ka Chief Minister Secretariat bar ka Council of Ministers da ka jingkren ka badan jing yasngan bar ka jing batay ka basyay halor ka jing mang pisa. Habakran ha ka dorbar mang tingka MLA ula yatho ba ya ka wei ka jing yakran ba pynksan ban pen iya ka jing mun ka ba kham chiliu halor ka rukampen bat snothu ya ki kam. Ula kan mau bahagawi ka jinyalang pat ba. Mensyua ula snok ya hadu kata-kata haba we unong kran ula pendon kam ya ka kentian shilo 1 glass bat ula perkhan ba ka kedaw ya ka kian. Ngila khod yu shabar bat kali balay ukran kumta ngala snomong ong UMLE. Henry hadien uta unong kran ula batay ba kata ka kentian kamot satya ya ka kian. Henry kalong kadak jong ka jing trang ka jing thmu ba ka jing kermen. Kata ka bor hapo jongi ka ba penlong yengi banwat lat. Ula ong ba kilat kim wan hi shangi ngi day ban tiet igi jingyen bat wat hi yaki. Kata ka shil o kamut ka jing angnut bat jingele hapo jongi. Ula ong da ka ba benrap ba bunsian ka jing yasmo bakla kami na ki jing perkhat ki bala don lupa. Da ka ba penyaso ya kani ka jing yatho khana ba ka jing yakran halor kamang pisa ula ong ba kumchu ru ki briu ba pher kila ban pet da ka jing yo I ba pher ya ka ju ka jing mang pisa. Ula batay ba ka pisa ka balamang hapo ka Chief Minister Secretariat kam day ban pet kum ka jing lut kai. Henry kum kalat ban pendap ya ki jing duna ha ka roy kapar ling ba ka scheme kum ka Chief Minister Special Development Fund CMSDF. Ki fellowship program bat ki wei ki sunjam penroy. UMLA ulak dauru bagi projek ki badan jingyo I jingai kan thop ye ki project jingye le kai bahe ki don kam ka jingye penben jingye kren jingya jingyeng jingye te contract bar ka jingye silong bar kitnat ba pher ki jingmut kim hap kum uslam ki don kam ban perkhat ba bat pentrei kam da ka jingye le ula ong da ka ba yeng scam ye ka jingdon kam ban pelut pisa halor ka jingya chabar jilla jingya silok bat jingya te jingya dei bar kitnat Sorkar preng bat ki kin hun shimen ula ban juru ba ka Chief Minister's Office ka dei ban don ka jingya ram bar ka jingla ban shimrai kloi haba don kam tam ha ka jingya rap ban wanra scheme bat kring ye ki nong bei tingka sha ka jilla ha ka ba penkut ye ka jingtran jong u MLA ko Umsning ula ong ba om kyrshan ya ka court motion bat ula pen pau ka jinget bat ka jingmang pisa hapo ka Chief Minister Secretariat kan ya rap ban penduna ya ki jingduna ha ka roy ka par bat ban kentiu ya ka jilla shakman.
I rise to participate, not to support the court motion, but to express the reasons why maybe the amount mentioned in this head has to be passed by this House. There are many reasons to that. In our service to the public, any good work that we do has always two results. Some take it as development, some take it otherwise. When we look at the demand and the budget as a whole, the Chief Minister in his budget speech has also expressed or mentioned a very beautiful couplet which is in Khasi. The meaning in English has also been given by the Honorable Chief Minister that day. But allow me Mr. Chairman, sir, to tell one incident in my interaction with the people where this amount, why it has to be spent, and the reason to put the requirements in perspective. In one of my interactions with the villagers, I went for a meeting. One of the speakers said, using that same couplet, Baro ubreu bastat, mano bala manlen, la clem da plie kalat, kumno ulait man kren. But that gentleman said it with a little modification. He said, Baro ubreu bastat, mano bala manlen, la clem da yo shiklat, kumno ulait man kren. I was offended by that speech, just like maybe some members here will also feel offended. I called that speaker to the corner outside the hall. I said, why did you speak like that? I was offended.
Yeah, please translate
Who
for the
cannot
benefit of
understand. Can you
others.
also tell it in English?
Yeah.
The same, whatever
The
is
modified,
okay.
the modified
being shared
couplet. The
will be
modified
enlightened.
couplet.
That couplet was mentioned by the speaker
Oh,
in
the modified one.
a modified one. Okay.
In Garo also.
Baro ubreu bastat mano bala abanlen. Everyone has wisdom. Who can deny that? La clem dayo shiklat kumno ulait man kren. If he does not get one glass, how can he speak? So I was offended during that meeting. I called him outside the Dorbar hall.
Shiklat indicates what? You have to specify that also.
That's why I got offended.
No, shiklat or what? Water or
I'm
what?
coming to that, sir. I'm
Okay.
coming. I was offended. I called him outside. During a serious meeting, why do you have to speak like that? Then he told me, what did I say? No, you said shiklat. That's where, doctor, your mind is crooked. You have ill intention. When I say shiklat, I didn't mean alcohol. That's what he explained to me. Then if you don't mean that, you explain to the meeting. So he said, this couplet, la clem da plie kalat, kumno ulait man kren, we live in a different era, he said. In Kasi, he said, ngiim haka juk kabatumay, kalat kamuan shu syangi. Opportunities do not come to us, we have to go and search for it. Doors are not open for us, we have to go and knock on doors for opportunities. That is the shiklat. Shiklat means you have to have the desire. You need to have direction. You need to have motive. You have to need drive. You need to have the drive within you so that you can find the opportunities. They don't come. When my father got his job, he said, he was pulled out from home, come and join the police. He said, no, I don't want to go. But he said, no, you have to come. We have very less manpower. But now, 3,000 posts, 3 lakhs applicants. So let us come to the point. That's beside the point. Here, under this head, yesterday a beautiful budget speech was presented where vision was added, direction was given, and the desire and the drive were indicated by the different results. Under this head, why 11 crores, 19 lakhs, 81,300 has to be passed today? Because, as the head says, Council of Ministers, Secretariat and General Services. Everybody knows how the CMSDF is spent. Wherever there is a development gap that is being filled up with that, the yes. Now, when we talk about the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Mr. Chairman, sir, if you allow me, ideas just don't come like rain. They have to be thought out properly. They have to be selected and they have to be vetted. Now, I think if we talk about the different development schemes, how the biggest football stadium dedicated for football has come to Meghalaya, that does not happen just like that. Many people must have given ideas. Many people must have worked. That is why we see here the contractual services, foreign travel expenses, even domestic travel expenses. The office of the chief minister maybe sometimes will have to send people to Delhi, go and run around for this scheme, go and arrange a meeting with so-and-so fellow, go and find out the details of the companies that are available in the market, what things can be done for the state. So the chief minister's office should have the wherewithal, rather the ability to spend where it needs to be spent.